Everyone on social media is telling you that the SEO is completely dead. They are just saying you need an GEO and AEO, LM optimization, AI files, special AI schema, and chunking contents and dozens of AI hacks. But all this doesn't work now. So what works instead? Google just releases official AI optimization guide for you. And according to Google, most of these tricks are completely unnecessary. And in this video, I will show you exactly what Google wants from you. And if you want your website to appear in the Google and AI overviews, you need to read this. Google says into valuable non-commodity content for your website. Creating content that people find unique, compelling, and useful will likely influence your website in generative AI searches and the long run in the Google for more than any of the other suggestions in this guide. While unique, valuable, good content can mean different things to different peoples, content like this generally shares some common attributes. Now, the most important point is creating non-commodity content that's helpful, reliable, and people first. Be sure that you are writing the non-commodity content that your readers will find it helpful and reliable. Commodity content, for example, something like 7 tips for the first time home buyers is often based on a common knowledge, originate from anyone, and typically add little unique insight for readers. In contrast, non-commodity content such as why we waive the inspection and save money, a look inside the sewer line, provides unique expert and experienced takes that go beyond common knowledge and the ordinary. So what Google actually want with this update? Did you notice something very interesting? Google didn't unnecessarily reward the biggest website. It rewarded the page that contributed something new to the internet. This is exactly what Google's official AI optimization guide called non-commodity content. The content that goes beyond the repeating what actually available in the internet. For example, in this search, a low domain authority page is ranking higher than the giant sites which have already a higher domain authority. It is because this website is writing a fresh and a new content, and others is writing a repeating older one. Google just killed these myths. Special AI schema, AI keywords, .txt, chunking tricks, GEO hacks, and fake AI mentions. Google specifically says to prioritize effective SEO tactics like chunking contents, creating unnecessary AI text files, or chasing inauthentic mentions. Google wants this instead. Just check out this simple checklist: technical SEO, helpful content, original search, images, videos, proper headings, and crawlability, and the fast website. This remains the foundation for the both traditional search and Google's AI features. The hidden updates that nobody talks about. Google AI secretly expands it into a many related searches. For example, best SEO tools for beginners, free SEO tools, technical SEO tools, keyword research software, or SEO audit tools. Then it combines information from those searches into a one single response. This changes how we should write the perfect content that Google wants. Instead of targeting one single keyword, answer the surrounding questions naturally within the same page. That makes your content more likely to satisfy the broader information needed without creating a dozens of duplicate content that is already available on the internet. My practical framework, which you can use as a memorable formula in 2026 for Google's hiring: technical SEO, helpful content, original experience, images and videos, entity coverage, topical depth, and clear structure. All this is equal to a higher chance of appearing in Google higher rankings and AI search overviews. Google has just told you exactly what works. Build a technical sound website, publish content that only you can create as an expert, add original experience, and answer the complete user journey instead of obsessing over one single keyword. That's how you should optimize your website and content in Google search and AI search. Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, leave the comment below and I will reply as soon as possible. And do not forget to like and subscribe, and this SEO tutorial will be helpful for you.